Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over the assignments for week 3, quarter 3. So first and foremost, when you get to class, make sure that you're checking your inbox for any messages that I may send you, and also go check announcements for the this week's assignments. So if we click on announcements, you'll see week number 3, quarter 3. So you click here, and then you can see all the announcements for this week. Once again, no class Zoom today, but if you need to Zoom, you want to meet individually, please send me an email and I will send you an individualized link so we can talk one-on-one. You have 5 assignments this week. Your PFT trunk lift score, which is due by Friday, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. You have a quiz, mental health benefits of physical activity. And for the Monday, Wednesday students, it's due on Monday. For the Tuesday, Thursday students, it's due on Tuesday. And then you have your fitness log for quarter 3. And this one's due Monday. And for the Tuesday, Thursday kids, it's due on Tuesday. And then you have your mile run, and then you have an international sports discussion board, and I will talk about that one as well. And once again, like I said, email me through Canvas. If you just click inbox right here, you can send me an email if you want to meet for an individualized Zoom. Okay, so let's get to the module. So when you go to the module, it will take you to week number 3, quarter 3. And you notice that all the assignments are once again locked. Okay, so in order to unlock them, you need to watch this video in its entirety. Once you completely watch the video, if you hit next, it will unlock all of the assignments. Okay, so if you go back to modules, you'll see that everything's now unlocked. Okay, so we'll go to the first assignment, which it's not due till Friday. You have all week to do it. It's actually pretty quick to do it. It's not that bad. But if you, it's regarding the trunk lift, the PFT trunk lift test. And then here is the protocol here. So the purpose to assess your posterior chain strength and anterior flexibility to healthy norms. And the equipment, all you're going to need to use is a ruler or yardstick, pretty much just to measure how far you can lift. And then here are the instructions for the procedures. And then if you watch this video, it'll show you exactly how to do it. And it only takes maybe about 5 seconds to complete. It's not that difficult. And here are the classifications for your scores. Okay, so once you've watched the video and you've pretty much practiced it, you'll go ahead and hit next to go to the next assignment. And you're just going to submit your score on to this assignment, the PFT trunk lift score submission. So you'll review the instructions like you did on the other page, watch the video, and then you're going to practice the trunk lift. And then in order to submit your score, you'll record your score, and it will be between a 0 to 13. Okay, 13 is the max. Even if you pass 13, just write 13 as the max number. And then if you cannot perform this test for any reason, please just put a 0 in the box, and then please email me individually if you have a medical condition so I can have that on record. Okay, and then you click here to take the quiz. Always click the blue buttons. And then once you get down to the question, it'll just tell you to record your score in a whole number between 0 to 13. 13 is the max. So all you're going to do is just put one number here. So say I took the test and I scored the highest, which is a 13. I'll just put 13, hit submit, and then I'm good to go for that assignment. Okay, so if I go back to modules, that assignment is due Friday. And then you've got 2 assignments due for Monday/Tuesday. You've got your mental health benefits of exercise reading, and then you have a quiz regarding this reading. So if you click on the mental health benefits of exercise, it will take you to this research article that you can read through. Okay, just make sure you're reading through the entire thing. And then once you go back over to modules, and then you can go to the mental health benefit exercise quiz. And in order to take the quiz, you have 30 minutes. It's a 10-question multiple choice test. Okay, and thank you to Alyssa Dela Cruz for creating this week's quiz. All you have to do is click take the quiz, and then you'll answer the 10 questions based on the reading. Okay, so and then you have a fitness log as your second assignment for Monday/Tuesday, and it's going to be you're just going to work out for 30 minutes. So once again, you're going to use the discussion board from week number 8 titled Exercise Video or Workout Recommendations Discussion Board. You'll select a video or link posted by a classmate and work out to it. So you don't have to actually visually record your video. You just need to write down your information on the fitness log. Okay, and here's the breakdown for your points. So you're going to write down what the workout video was called. So you get 2 points for that. In 2 sentences, write what you liked about the workout and what you didn't like about the workout. Your total duration of your workout. If it must be 30 minutes, so make sure that if it didn't amount to 30 minutes, do another video or do it twice. And then write down your exercise intensity, which on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the easiest, 10 being the hardest. Rate your workout and you'll get 2 points for that. So to submit that, you will just click on Submit Assignment. And then here are like I said, once again, here are your instructions for what you need to write. And then you could just put it in your text entry and just write down everything right here. So you can, number 1, what was a workout video called? Write that down. Number 2, 2 sentences regarding this, duration, and your intensity. Once you've filled this out, just go ahead and click Submit Assignment, and you're good to go for that assignment as well. And those are your 2 assignments for Monday/Tuesday, and then you've got 2 assignments for Wednesday/Thursday. You've got your cardiovascular day or Metaconda, and then you've got your international sports discussion board, which I'll talk about. So for cardiovascular day, I've also added an extra component here, just regarding those of you that do use Nike Run. So how to join the challenge on Nike Run Club and share your route. And I'll talk about that in a minute. So let's click on cardiovascular day. So you must once again run a mile, and here are the instructions. So if you're running outside, here are your instructions for this. A lot of you guys are using Nike or Strava. What's great about Strava is the route automatically posts on your news feed, so I can see that automatically. With Nike, you have to take an extra step and you have to actually share your route. So I changed up the Nike Run Club instructions a little bit this week. I try to make it a little easier for you guys that are using Nike. So the instructions are, you're going to go to Nike Run Club. You're going to click on the challenges tab, and I created a challenge for this week. It's just a 1 mile challenge. It's not extra credit. It's actually your assignment. So you're going to just look for the challenge, join it, and then you're going to complete your 1 mile on the Nike Run Club app. So be sure to share your route with me. And then once you've completed that, it'll automatically save and load onto Nike Run. No need to submit a screenshot anymore on Canvas. You're just going to write in the text message entry, I ran on NRC. Then I can look for it on the leaderboard and automatically give you your points. Okay, so it's a little bit easier if you do it this way. For those of you that use Nike, I just go through leaderboard and I can give you your points that way. And then make sure you watch this video. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I have it recorded on the phone and show you, taking you step by step through how to join the challenge, how to post the video and everything, specifically for Nike Run Club. And like I said, if you use Strava already, don't have to worry about that. It's pretty much the same thing with Strava. I can just look at your newsfeed and pull your routes from there. And then you have, once again, your running indoor instructions. So if you're going to do a treadmill, make sure that you put a post-it on your dashboard with your full name, date, and the word of the week is February. And you'll get credit for each of these items that you post on the photos. Okay, make sure that when you're posting your treadmill dashboards, I can see the distance and I can also see the time, because you're going to get points for both of those. And then you've got, once again, your Metaconda instructions. You get 10 points awarded for 10 minutes worth of Metaconda. If you're not sure about the Metaconda, it's going to be in the how-to section of our class. There's instructions on the video. There's also instructions regarding how to record and everything. So make sure you check that out. Once again, this assignment is normally our Wednesday/Thursday assignment, but because the weather's so crazy lately, that you guys have the entire week to get this done. So don't wait until Friday to turn this in. If the weather's pretty good tomorrow or on Monday, do it Monday. If the weather's good on, Wednesday, you can do it Wednesday. It doesn't matter. Just get it done before Friday. I've given you 5 days to get this assignment completed. So just make sure that you understand that and you get it completed. And to submit your assignment, you're just going to click here. And like I said, if you run it under Nike, all you have to do, if you've joined the challenge and done all the steps, is write, I ran on NRC, or you could just write NRC, whatever. I can look for that, and then you're just going to click submit. And then when I go through the assignments, if I know that you did Nike and you did the challenge, I'll give you your appropriate points. Okay. And the last assignment that you have for this week is going to be the International Sports Discussion Board. So there are many sports that were created in other countries. For today's assignment, please research a sport that originated in another country and talk about the following. So you're going to name the sport. That's worth 1 point. The country the sport originated in, that's worth a point. The rules of the sport, how do you play? So that's going to be worth a few more points because it's probably going to be a little bit more lengthier. Equipment required, if any. Um, where the sport is played, like dimensions of the field, court, sporting area, whatever. Is it on a diamond? Is it a, soccer field or whatever, football field? Anything. You get a point for that. How is the sport scored? How does the sport require officials? If so, what are they called? How many are required? You get a point for that. And who are some popular athletes that have played the sport? You get 1 point. So just make sure that you're sharing all of these items on your discussion board, and you get a point for each of a point or a few points for each of these items to equal 10 points. And then in order to complete this assignment, all you're going to do is click reply right here, and then you're just gonna put your information, and then once you've replied, you've put everything in here, you're just gonna hit post reply, and then that will share it with the entire class. So once you've completed that, you've done all of the assignments for the week, and you are good to go. So once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me through Canvas. If you want to meet for a Zoom, I'd be happy to meet with you. Just let me know and I'll send you an individualized link. I'm always available for office hours from 9 to 9:50 every morning, and also during our class periods. Okay, well, thank you guys and have a good week.